Hi everyone, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services. We were tasked with updating and renovating a kitchen for one of our clients that bought a property in Castiglione, which is a small hillside village above the town of Falerna. Because they purchased the property through a video call and they hadn't actually seen the property before they purchased, it was all done via video viewings. Obviously, to renovate the kitchen was a little bit of a challenge, which we managed to do through video calls, photographs, visits to the builders' merchants, discussions with the builders, all done via modern technology.